Choosing the perfect tool for tricky home renovations and DIY tasks can transform your workflow. The best Oscillating multi-tool UK brings incredible versatility to cutting, sanding, scraping, and more in confined areas. These cordless wonders help professionals and enthusiasts tackle jobs with precision and minimal hassle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt Oscillating Multi-Tool. The DEWALT 20-volt Oscillating Multi-Tool feels like a reliable partner on any job site thanks to its brushless motor that stretches battery life significantly compared to older brushed versions, often giving you up to 57% more runtime, so you spend less time swapping packs and more time actually working. Its 3-speed selector lets you dial in exactly the right pace for delicate trimming or aggressive material removal, while the dual-grip variable speed trigger puts total control right under your finger for smooth operation, whether you're flush cutting or detail sanding. The quick change system means no more hunting for wrenches when you need to swap blades mid-task, and the universal accessory adapter works with attachments from pretty much any brand, making it incredibly flexible in a mixed tool workshop. Build quality is solid, with that typical DEWALT toughness that survives drops and daily abuse, though the tool can feel a bit hefty after hours of overhead work. The bright LED light proves invaluable in dimly lit corners or when working inside cabinets. Ideal for carpenters, plumbers, and keen DIYers who value power and convenience, this tool shines in applications like door jamb trimming, grout removal, and flooring prep. Minor vibrations exist at top speeds, but the overall balance and ergonomics keep fatigue low. For anyone needing dependable cordless performance that doesn't compromise on features, it delivers strong overall value, especially when paired with the rest of the 20V ecosystem.
Number 2. Bosch GOP 18V 34N Oscillating Multi-Tool. Bosch has really thought through the user experience with the GOP 18V 34N, creating a tool that feels noticeably more comfortable during extended use, thanks to its redesigned handle and rotated battery position that reduces interference when working flush against surfaces. The Starlock interface grips blades in 3 dimensions for superior torque transfer and lets you swap accessories up to 8 times faster than previous generations, which is a genuine time saver on busy days. Vibration control is excellent, cutting levels by as much as 80% compared to earlier models, so your hands and arms stay fresher even after tackling tough jobs like tile work or metal trimming. The slim grip design enhances control in tight spots, while the brushless motor pushes out corded-like power with a top speed of 20,000 oscillations per minute and an improved 3.4-degree cutting angle for cleaner, quicker results. Professionals who switch between tasks frequently will appreciate how intuitive everything feels, from the upgraded handling to the outstanding blade retention that minimizes slippage. It does run a touch louder than some competitors at full power, but the performance more than makes up for it. Perfect for renovation specialists, kitchen fitters, and serious hobbyists who demand precision and reduced fatigue, this multi-tool handles everything from plunge cuts in wood to detailed sanding on awkward angles.
Number 3. Worx WX696L Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Worx WX696L brings genuine do-it-all capability to the cordless multi-tool category, proving especially handy for homeowners who tackle a wide variety of weekend projects around the house. Its universal fit system accepts blades from most major brands, eliminating the frustration of being locked into one ecosystem and letting you use whatever attachments you already own. The PowerShare battery compatibility means the same 20-volt or 40-volt packs work across their entire range of tools, which is brilliant for keeping costs down and reducing clutter in the garage. Blade changes are straightforward with the onboard wrench that never wanders off, and the 2-speed settings from 5,000 to 20,000 ops per minute give enough flexibility for gentle polishing or more demanding cutting through thin metal and masonry. Cordless freedom really shines here, making it easy to reach into awkward spaces where a regular saw simply won't fit, whether you're removing old grout, scraping paint, or cutting siding. The tool feels well balanced for its price point, though it lacks some of the refined vibration damping found on premium models, so longer sessions might require occasional breaks. Ideal for enthusiastic DIYers, occasional tradespeople, and anyone who values versatility without breaking the bank, it performs admirably across sawing, sanding, and scraping tasks. The overall construction holds together nicely under normal use, and the range of applications makes it surprisingly useful for everything from hobby crafts to light renovation work.
Number 4. Makita XMT-03Z Oscillating Multi-Tool. Makita's XMT-03Z stands out with its compact barrel grip that measures just 2 3/8 inches in diameter, making it one of the most comfortable options for prolonged use in cramped positions where larger tools become tiring. The variable speed dial offers precise control from 6,000 to 20,000 OPM, so you can match the tool perfectly to the material, whether you're doing fine sanding on delicate trim or aggressive cutting through wood and light metal. A generous 3.2-degree oscillation angle delivers faster material removal compared to many rivals, while the large on-off switch with lock-on function adds real convenience during repetitive tasks. Included adapters ensure compatibility with most competitive accessories, giving you plenty of options without extra spending. Battery compatibility with Makita's 18-volt lithium-ion line is seamless for existing users, though you'll need to purchase the battery separately. The tool feels robust yet nimble, with build quality that reflects Makita's reputation for reliable performance over years of service. Some users might miss a built-in LED light for very dark areas, but the overall handling and power make up for small omissions. It's particularly well-suited to finish carpenters, installers, and dedicated DIY enthusiasts who appreciate a tool that disappears in the hand during intricate work like undercutting door frames or preparing surfaces for refinishing.
Number 5. WORKPRO Oscillating Multi-Tool. The WORKPRO Oscillating Multi-Tool delivers surprising punch for a corded option thanks to its 3.0 amp motor and 3-degree oscillation angle that boosts efficiency across various materials, from wood and plastic to medium hardness metals and even embedded nails or screws. 7 different speed settings between 15,000 and 23,000 RPM let you fine-tune performance for each specific job, preventing burning on sensitive surfaces while still powering through tougher renovation challenges. The toolless blade change system is refreshingly simple. Just flip, swap, and secure in 3 quick steps, which keeps workflow smooth and frustration-free compared to older wrench-dependent designs. Its universal accessory interface works with most brands, and the generous 17-piece accessory kit, including multiple blades, a scraper, sanding pad, and sheets, means you can start working right out of the box on projects like grout removal, paint stripping, or smoothing rough edges. The ergonomic design helps control vibration reasonably well during operation, though it transmits more buzz than premium cordless models during heavy use. Perfect for budget-conscious homeowners, apartment renovators, and hobbyists who need a capable tool without the upfront investment of battery systems. It handles cutting, sawing, polishing, and dressing tasks effectively around the house. While it requires a power outlet, the consistent power delivery never drops like a fading battery, making it reliable for longer sessions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.